Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be taking another look at the Chateau C970. Now, I have picked this in a short video. I will go ahead and link the picking of that up in the corner here. One of the things that I really enjoy about Lock Sport is seeing the creativity of lock pickers and the way they go ahead and attack locks. Another video where I got a little creative was my very first video, and you can also catch that video right there in the corner as well, or go to my playlists and check it out for yourself. Now, one thing that I really did for this lock to make it easier for me to pick, especially for the first time picking it, was I went ahead and used the weep hole back here to apply tension. By putting my tension wrench behind it, I am able to tension the lock, allowing me full use of the keyway for picking. If I were to try to tension the lock from the front side, I have effectively limited the amount of space for me to get my pick in there. And if I did top of the keyway tension, I am limiting the amount of area where I can go ahead and push down on that very first pin. You can see how close the tension wrench and the first pin actually meet up. The other thing that gave me advantage on this is I was creating a pick for a different use, not for this lock in particular. I was going to create a pick to do the sidebar pins on another lock, and I messed up the tip, but with every mistake, there is always the chance of it still being useful. While there is very little tip here, I can still get it in and reach the very back pin, where when tension is applied, the back pin is very hard to move. And if I tried to use a normal hook, even if it was a small hook, there wouldn't be enough space for me to actually get underneath the pin and apply pressure down. So when you're out there picking and everything, go ahead and look at your lock and look at the vulnerabilities that are presented to you. Not every time do you have to use top of the keyway or bottom of the keyway tension. Sometimes you can use back of the keyway tension. I very much appreciate your time. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you see when I have new videos out, and we will catch you in the next video.